Here we have a word problem. Okay, let's go with the question. Lily thought a number. She took half of the number and multiplied by 3 and divided the result by 15. Then she subtracted 7 from the result and got the final answer -2. What number did she think? So how to find the number Lily thought? So we can assume x as a required number. That is the number Lily thought. Okay, now let's do all the operation what Lily has done on the number. So first what she did is she took half of the number. So half of this number x is it's just x over 2. Then what she did is she multiplied half of this number by 3. Then she divided this result by 15. Finally she subtracted 7 from this complete result, and the final answer equals to -2. Okay, now we have to solve for x in this simple equation. Okay, so x over 2 times 3. So that is we have to multiply this x and 3, then we'll be getting 3x over 2 divided by 15, -7 equals to -2. Okay, to solve for x, first let's try to get rid of this -7. For that we have to add 7 to both sides. When I add 7 to both sides, so this -7 positive 7 will cancel out. I get 3x over 2 divided by 15 equals to, when I combine -2 and positive 7, it will become just 5. Okay, and also I assume this 15 as 15 over 1. Okay, in my next step, what I'm going to do is 3x over 2. I change this division as multiplication. When I change the division as multiplication, I have to take reciprocal for this 15 over 1. Then it will become 1 over 15 equals to 5. Okay, here 3 goes into 3 1 times, 3 goes into 15 5 times. So x times 1, I mean 1 times x is x, x times 1 is just x we have in numerator. And in denominator we have 2 times 5 is going to be 10 equals to 5. Okay, to solve for x, I'm going to multiply both sides by 10. So when I do so, this 10 will cancel out. I get x equals to 50. So the number Lily thought was just 50. Okay, anyways, we can verify our answer. So what we need to do is, so we just have to do again all the operation what Lily did on the number. So we have to do it on our answer 50. So we must be getting the final answer -2. Okay, let me do it first. So what we need to do is first we have to divide this 50 by 2. That is half of this number. What is half of 50? So we have to divide 50 by 2. When I divide 50 by 2, I'll be getting 25. Then I have to multiply half of the number by 3. So when I multiply this one by 3, I'll be getting 75. Okay, then I have to divide this one by 15. So when I divide this 75 by 15, what do I get? So 15 goes into 15 one times, 15 goes into 75 5 times. I'm getting 5. Okay, now I have to subtract 7 from this result. So when I subtract 7 from 5, I'm getting -2. So the final answer we have in the question. So the number 50, what we got in our working, satisfies the conditions given in the question. So the number Lily thought was 50. The answer for this question is 50.